Ever wonder where all that engine exhaust goes? The exhaust system carries harmful gases away from your engine and reduces emissions. It starts with the exhaust manifold, which collects gases from the engine cylinders and sends them through the system. Then, the catalytic converter transforms toxic gases like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides into less toxic emissions. Finally, the resonator and muffler. These works together to reduce noise, and the tailpipe releases the gases safely. It's all about efficiency, emissions, and keeping things quiet. Follow for more car tips.